Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Instagram marketing is constantly evolving and the latest strategies focus heavily on short-form video, authentic engagement, and direct conversions. Here's an updated tutorial with key strategies to grow your followers and boost sales. Let's start with Instagram marketing strategies. In here first, we have profile and niche optimization, which is actually the foundation. Your profile is your digital storefront. Make the first impression count. Right here, just define your niche, get specific. Instead of fitness, try at home bodyweight workouts for busy moms. Hyper niche focus attracts a more engaged buyer ready audience. Also, optimize your bio. We have keyword rich name. Use a primary keyword in your name field, e.g., Jen/DIY home deco tips. Also, use compelling value proposition. Clearly state what you offer and who it helps. Single strategic link as well. Use a link in bio tool like Linktree or a custom landing page that acts as a mobile fast sales funnel, not just a list of links. Also, another key tip here is to create a cohesive look. Use consistent colors, fonts, and a similar editing style across your feed, reels, and stories to build strong brand recognition. Let's get to the second tip, which is content for reach and engagement. The algorithm heavily favors content that users spend time on, share, and save. So this is what you need to do. Prioritize Instagram Reels, that is discovery. Reels are your primary tool for reaching new followers because the algorithm promotes them aggressively to non-followers. Right here, focus on trends, jump on trending audio and formats. Also use authentic content which wins. Add a description and keywords. Write a descriptive caption with relevant keywords and hashtags so the algorithm understands your content and can push it to the right audience. Also, utilize stories, that is connection and conversions. Stories build close relationships with your existing audience, making them ideal for sales. Use interactive stickers, that is polls, quizzes, Q&As, and sliders boost engagement and help you gather valuable customer insights. Also, sell directly. Use the shopping sticker here to link products directly in your stories. We also have carousel posts, which allow saves. Carousels, which is multiple swipeable images here, are great for educational content, e.g., 5 tips for X product comparison, because the time users spend swiping increases engagement metrics. We also have strategic hashtags where you can use a mix of niche specific, e.g., hash vegan cooking for beginners. We also have topic or content, e.g., hash meal prep ideas. We also have branded or community, e.g., hash your brand name community. Now let's get to also thirdly sales and follower growth strategies. Turn your traffic into paying customers and loyal fans. The first strategy here is community engagement. The goal for this is that grow engaged followers, not just numbers. The tip for this is that you can spend 15 to 20 minutes daily engaging with the followers of accounts similar to yours, that is like comment on their recent posts or stories. We also have this key strategy, which is collaborative content. Maximize reach to new audiences. Here, the tip is that you create co-posted reels with a partner in a non-competing related niche. Another key strategy is social commerce, where you can drive direct sales. Set up an Instagram shop to tag products in your reels or stories and static posts. We also have lead capture, where you can build an asset you own, that is using email lists. Also, analyze and adjust. You can optimize performance here, where you can regularly check your Instagram insights, that is to see which content formats, topics, and posting times get the highest saves and shares, and you can use that. Now let's get to finally timing and consistency. Posting at the right time ensures you more of your followers see your content immediately. In here, you can listen to your analytics, be consistent, where you can maintain a regular posting schedule, e.g., 3 to 5 reels per week, daily stories, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.